might not be able to get over to the island, but
I mean, I could get over there. I don't know if you'd be comfortable trying to step on these two little rocks and get over there. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, that ain't good.
you try to give you a push out.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm dead in the water now, dude.
Are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm totally underwater. Oh. Yo. I'm dead in the water. Should have kept going when I had my fucking, when it was going.
Yeah.
Probably had the same issue. The receivers are underwater,
Yep.
not getting a signal. Shit. I mean, yours, I think I can read. Obviously, mine's dead in the fucking middle. Oh, no, I can't read yours. Oh. And the throttle?
No throttle.
Alright, now I just gotta figure out how to get mine back. And try not to get yours stuck in the fucking middle. Yeah, mine's dead in the water too. Wait. Strong enough. I really don't want to have to take my damn shoes off.
Gonna dump. No, I don't know. No. You're in a hell of a hole.
Yeah. Like I took the worst fucking way to go. Yeah, I'm good.
There's that jacket up there.
That's a nice jacket. I don't know if this is gonna work. Whee! Here, give me that stick. Good, I think I can reach it now. I don't like using water. Got my foot flat. Yep, my foot is,
Yeah.
yep. Okay now.
It's dry.
Fucking submarine, man.
Whoops.
And I think I was recording most of that too.
Yeah, I was